Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Shadowing Club, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sam. Today, we're going to practice one of the most common English conversation topics. Tell me about yourself. This is a question people often ask when you meet someone new, start a new job, or join a new class. In this lesson, you'll learn simple and natural ways to answer it with confidence. Here's how this shadowing practice works. First, you'll hear a question. Then, you'll hear an answer. After that, there will be a short pause for you to repeat and practice speaking out loud. Next, you'll hear the same question again with a different answer, helping you learn more than one way to respond naturally. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with other English learners. Your support helps us create more lessons like this one. Let's get started. What is your name? My name is Sam. What is your name? My name is... Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Where are you from? I'm from... Do you live in a big city? I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. Do you live in a big city? I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it. Do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden. Do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in an apartment. It's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. How old are you? I'm years old. What do you do? I am an English teacher. I love my job. What do you do? I am a student. I study art. I love to draw and paint. Now, let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Tom. Is he older or younger than you? He is older than me. He is 32, so he is 2 years older than me. Do you have brothers or sisters? I have one sister. Her name is Ashley. Is she older than you or younger than you? She is younger than me. She is 28, so she is 2 years younger than me. Tell me about your parents. What do they do? My mother is a teacher. She teaches children. My father is a chef. He works in a restaurant. What are your parents' jobs? My mother is a nurse. She works at a hospital. My father is an engineer. He works for a construction company. Now let's talk about pets. Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name is Alex. Is he friendly? He is very friendly and very funny. What color is he? He is a small brown dog. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. What does she look like? She is black and white. She is very quiet and very sleepy. Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets. Now let's talk about things we like, our favorite things. This is the fun part. Let's start with food. What is your favorite food? I like many foods, but I think my favorite food is pizza. What kind of pizza do you like? I like pepperoni pizza with tomatoes and peppers and onions. Is pizza your favorite food too? It's one of my favorites, but my number one favorite food is pasta. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue, like the sky. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Green, like the trees and the grass in a garden. What is your favorite color? I love the color of nature, like blue sky and green grass. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog, because dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them. Is your favorite animal a cat? Yes, I love cats. They are so elegant and independent. Let's move on to hobbies. Hobbies, the things we do for fun. What are your hobbies? My hobby is painting. It helps me relax. I also like to read books. What kind of books do you read? I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite. What are your hobbies? I have a few hobbies. I love listening to music. What kind of music do you listen to? I like rock music, old rock music. What is your favorite hobby? I like playing sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I love to laugh.
What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies, comedy movies, and animated movies. Now let's talk about things we don't like. What is a food you don't like? I do not like olives because they have a strong taste. I always remove them from any pizza. Is there a food you don't like? Yes, I don't like spicy food. It is very hot to me and makes my mouth burn. What is an activity you don't like? I don't like washing dishes. It is boring and takes a lot of time. What is an activity you don't like? I don't like to wake up very early. Great job! Today, you've learned simple and natural ways to answer one of the most common English questions. Tell me about yourself. You can talk about your name, where you're from, your age, your job or studies, your family, your hobbies, your favorite things, and the things you don't like. Here's a simple example. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an English teacher. I love dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives. Or, hi, I'm Tom. I'm a student from the United States. I enjoy learning new things and playing soccer. Remember, you don't have to say everything at once. Just choose the information that fits the situation. The most important thing is to speak naturally, keep it simple, and be friendly. Now it's your turn to practice. Write a short introduction about yourself in the comments. Tell me your name, where you're from, what you do, or what you enjoy doing. I'd love to read your answers. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to English Shadowing Club, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who is learning English. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.